let's make some bread. Okay, this is what it's all about. Is 5 ingredients: the whole wheat flour, salt, honey, the yeast, and water. So, all right, here we go. You're going to say, it's so easy, I can't believe it. All right, here's my 1/2 cup measurement. I take 1/2 cup. I stir this a little bit because you want the measurement to be correct because the yeast has lots of bubbles in it. Okay, so I say I want it to be correct and then I go over that. You see what I'm saying? You stir the bubbles down a little bit because the bubbles take up a lot of space. Okay, I'm pouring it in. See, that's not hard. Okay, now the next thing is, and I'll get another spoon, is an equal amount of honey. Now you could use, if you really would prefer, you could use 1/4 cup of molasses and 1/4 cup of honey. But for my family, because my husband has diabetes, I use all honey because this doesn't seem to raise his blood sugar at all, which is wonderful. If you have diabetes, you will understand. So, almost there. Okay, I just have a little bit more. And there I have my 1/2 cup of honey. Okay. And there are some local places where you can get honey cheaper. So if you're interested, just ask me and we'll let you know. Okay, so I put in 1/2 cup of honey and 1/2 cup of the yeast starter, and next will be 2 teaspoons of salt. Can you tell how many times I've made this? Okay. It's just, all right. 1. I hope that you think this is really simple because I think it's simple. Okay, there's 2 teaspoons of salt now. All right, 2½ cups, here again, warm water. Not too hot because you'll kill it, and if it's too cold, it won't make the yeast rise or activate it. Okay, here's 2 cups, and here's 1/2. Okay, now I'm going to add exactly, now I measured this out, but I'm going to have to go get another 1/2 cup because I used it to show you. So I'll go get another 1/2 cup of flour so I can make this exactly 7 cups. I'll be right back.